Guys, for those who don't know, there's just so many OB games in Roblox. So I'm gonna try this one, which is Slap Tower. So I'm gonna get this. Oh, he just slapped me for some reason. But now I'm gonna get this secret slap. For those who don't know, it's just an easy OB. Okay. This one is pretty hard. Okay, I fell. Let's do the LBs instead. But I'm just gonna get the slap from this corner. This just for extra if someone tries to slap us. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna buy the rainbow carpet. It spends too much Robux, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna go there. Oh, we just fell. Bro, why is those players falling? For some reason. Bro, don't even try to slap me. Okay, now I'm here at the blue. Let's do this one instead. So we can get a shortcut to green. Please don't slap me. Man. There's just so many players here in this game. Okay, now we're at the trolling part. Bro, I'm not gonna fall for this one. I'm gonna teleport. But little does he know that I off the Wi-Fi. Okay, they're just lagging cause of my internet. Oh gosh. And for some reason that just happened. Okay, now let's go back to the tower. By the way, let's get the slaps first. Because it's a bit important. So if we get trolled, we will slap them. Not this magic carpet, lol. LOL. Now I'm gonna go there. There's also a wall hopping area here where you can wall hop. I'm not that good as wall hop, bro. I'm even afraid I might copyright of the music, bro. Okay, now he just fell. For some reason he fell. Oh gosh, I also fell. This is a bit rigged. Or maybe a bit tricky. Okay, now we're on the way to the blue. Okay, we're back here. Bro, I hope one day I will go to the pink. That pink was almost impossible to go there because of the trolls. Oh gosh. Bro, why is it like this? Oh god. Bro, there's even a person that completed this obby. For some reason, I can't really complete this one. Okay, now let's go to the normal way. Now we're here. Oh gosh. And I just AFK and I accidentally fall to the blue. Oh god. Please just let me pass this obby. I'm begging for it. Oh gosh. Not this again. I'm like riding a horse. It's so hard to control. Someone's even inviting me. Let's ignore that. I'm so sorry. There's a shock again? I always see a person like that. Shock mosquito. Okay, now guys, I'm back. Come on, bro. We're finally making it here. Is there some people there? Oh gosh! Look at this! Look what he did! Oh god! Bro, just don't slap me. I have to complete this tower, lol. This one is a bit hard, but I normally can do it. Oh gosh! Wait, how is that possible? That's the guy who slapped me earlier. For those who don't know, you can also bug in this part, but I won't do it. Lol. I cannot even shortcut so much in this video. Oh gosh. One video I will show you all the shortcuts in the Slap Tower 1. There, finally oh gosh. If I real okay, I'm in the wall hop. Yes, I made it. I did here easily. Bro, this part is harder and harder. It's getting harder by colors. I mean by stages or colors. That just like that. I thought I can climb for a second. But this one is a bit dangerous. You can just walk through this, lol. So there's nothing to worry about. We just have to be careful. Oh gosh. Okay, now in the slippery section, you can just jump it so you won't slip, right? Oh gosh, this one is even harder. Bro, please don't fell. Oh gosh! Oh no! Why did I just fell there? Up. Look at those peoples over there. Is there some trolls happening? I can just watch through them. But we need to focus on our hobby. Oh! I did not jump that part. Yes, I made it here. Now I'm here. Is this a hide part? Oh, never mind that. Oh, it's getting harder every stage. Dang, please don't fall on the purple. Oh man, that's what I don't want. I almost fell on that part. If you pause it. Once I fall, I will end the video. But if I fall in the yellow. Oh gosh, please. Okay, I'm back here. Don't fall this time, please. It's getting harder, really. This one is my favorite color, green, but it is the same texture. It's this type of green. Oh gosh. Now we finally made it here. LOL. Up. Okay, we made it here. If those were red lasers, that part would be impossible, right? Gosh, we at the blue. Never mind that, bro. I fell here again. I'm not really good at obeying. Oh gosh. Oh, we are one stud to death. Bro, please don't slap me. I'm begging you. Now we are at the 10 minutes. Bro, this is easy. Here. Oh gosh, she just fell. Oh, I thought she fell. Oh, did you fell here, Jana? Bro, I'm not gonna try to slap you, okay? Just don't slap me. Don't troll me there, okay? Dang, she's trolling me. She thought I would not notice. Oh, gadang! I just said, please, I'm vlogging. Oh, come, she said come. Never mind. Yay, thank you. Okay, now I'm going there. Did she fell? I'm gonna add her. Okay, we're at here. I think she will notice my vlogs if I became famous. Up. Okay, now this one again, which is a bit tricky. This one is the trickiest. Oh gosh. Oh, let's go. We can shortcut here apparently. But it's not as easy as it looks. I mean, as easy as it looks. Oh! Okay, that's what my promise is. So, and that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this hobby video. Please like and subscribe for more. If you want some part 2 here, just comment please part 2. Okay, bye. By the way, if you want to add me on Roblox, just type this username on Roblox. Send a friend request and I'll add you. Bye.